Hi everybody, this is Therese. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I've been wanting to do this video for a long time, and I was supposed to do it, I believe, back on 22nd, I think, when I found out that Will Byers' birthday was on, the character was on March 22, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, all you Stranger Things fans, but I don't care if the show was canceled and stuff like that, but who cares? I've always wanted to do this makeup tutorial based on, Stranger Things based, inspired, and this look, it's inspired by the Byers family, which is Mama Joyce, played by the beautiful Winona Ryder, who's one of my favorite 80s teen stars of all time. 90s stars as well, fellow Generation X sister of mine. And then her gorgeous sons, played by Jonathan, is played by the very handsome, gorgeous Brit Charlie Heaton, and of course Will Byers, played by the adorable turned gorgeous Noah Schnapp. So let's get started. But before I get started, I was gonna wear the whole cast T-shirt, but since I got a T-shirt of one of the characters in this family, I got this in Hot Topic. Like the day before Lent started, and yeah, and then I have the it says run with the Christmas lights, and then the Hawkins High School class ring. I'll tell you why I'm wearing all this stuff, and all right, and this is the look that I come up with, and I'm gonna transfer this eye look to this look right here, and let's get started. So I'm just gonna base off of makeup, that says the 3 character names. Well, 2 character names, but one of them, like workplace and stuff like that, and anything that's connected to the Byers family. Okay, so I used one of this Makeup Forever HD Skin palette, sculpting palette right over here. I used one of the light, probably this light concealer as my eyeshadow primer. And as usual, I always wear, I'm gonna do use any of the Stranger Things makeup collection stuff I have in the house. Okay, moving on. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the lid. So I'm gonna take MAC's class of 1986. I'm gonna use Melvald's General Store. It's this beautiful aquamarine color, if you remember. I'm gonna use so that's Joyce's old workplace, right? So I'm gonna use this flat shader brush from Wet n Wild, and then I'm gonna pat it down like this. Do it one more time. Anything that's significant, even places, that's all I'm going to go for. I'm not going to go for whatever creatures that family ended up battling with. All right. Okay, that's it. I'm going to go for, I'm going to take from the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go for Will. I'm going to take this fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm going to pat it down like this. Let's take a wild guess what to do with this one. Okay. And then I'm going to go like this. I'll screw it out. I'm just going to go like this. There you go, that's better. I'm gonna put it, I put it on my brow bone and then kind of like brush down into the rest of the lid until the crease. It's supposed to be like an orangey color. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, it looks like gold with the light, so I give up hope. Okay, let me go. Okay. And then I'm going to take that same fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take also from the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this yellow shade called Jonathan. Similar places. I'm going to go like this. Come a little bit more like this. I'll do the best I can to use anything that has to do with that family, places, ways too. I'm going to go for this one. You know what? I'm going to take some kind of like this eye pencil brush. Okay, I'll take Jonathan again, pat it down like this. It looks like yellow in the pan, but so I'm going to do it in the inner corner. Okay. And then I'm going to take this crease brush right over here. I'm going to take from Max Class of 1986 palette. I'm going to take Hawkins High. After all, those three, as we saw, those three ended up graduating now. They all graduated from Hawkins High School, the parents, and then the boys. So I'm going to dot in this corner. The outer corner, I'm going to dot it, blend it, circle it around. I'm ready, put it up into the, halfway into the crease. Yeah. It's this matte green color. If you have this palette, it's right over here. Okay, oh, okay, I'm satisfied with that. I'm gonna go for CoverGirl's Stranger Things. It's called Upside Down Kohl Eyeliner in Will the Wise. It's this beautiful purple. That's okay, I'll do the best I can. Okay, I'm gonna tight line this. Yeah, you can barely see the square. I'm just gonna put the lower waterline. It's this beautiful purple eyeshadow. I mean eyeliner, sorry. Uh-oh. I'm not gonna bother. You can't barely see me tight lining the upper thing. All right, inner, anything else? Okay, one more for the eyes. I'm gonna go, I've gotta do this one. I've gotta do Castle Byers. And this is the only one I'm gonna use from the ColourPop times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use Castle Byers. It's like, it looks like olive green, gold kind of thing. I think what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this flat end of this Stila double-ended eyeliner brush. I'm just going to put it in the inner bottom lash line corner. Don't put it on the lower waterline. Make it nice and brighter. Okay, that includes the eye makeup look. Okay, so for the blush, what I did was I did ColourPop times Stranger Things. It's called Byers Natural Matte Finish. It's a blush. So this is what I did. I took this Elf. It's called Elf Liquid Blush brush. I just dabbed it up. I'm not gonna do it again. I don't want to be too much. So I just dabbed it like this, lightly on the thing, and then I put it around the brow bone area. So I went like this, and then blended it only on the brow bone. The cheekbone, cheekbone and stuff like that. You know what? I'm gonna do impromptu this. It's gonna take long, I know. I want to use that. Maybe I should. I'm just gonna do this impromptu highlight. As soon as I find one. Wait a minute. Hi, I'm back. Sorry I had to pause the video. I don't have my pointed. It's like a some kind of highlight brush from Elf. It's like a pointed one. So I'm just gonna pick this this kind of brush. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do an impromptu highlight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna anything else? Okay, whatever. Okay. So I'm gonna mix Jonathan Will. I'm gonna go like this. Jonathan and Will from the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette, along with from ColourPop times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette in Castle Byers. Okay, I'm gonna do a like impromptu highlight. Here we go. I don't know if it's working. I'm gonna go like this. Yeah, okay. I don't know if it's coming out. You know, I'm gonna screw it. I'll just try this brush. So I'm gonna do this again. Okay, and then so I'm gonna go like this. Whoa, woo! Ooh, too much, dang. So I'm gonna go above the eyebrow area into the above the cheekbone. Okay, now it's but now it's popping. I know, long ass video. Okay. Oh shit. ooh. Okay, never mind. So I'm gonna do it again. I didn't put the highlight before again, this is impromptu, so I'm gonna do it again here. Like this. Into the above the brow bone, into above the cheekbone. I'm gonna do it again one more time. And then might as well do a bit of the nose. Anything else? I think that's about it. One more thing. I might as well pick one of the lip glosses from. It's a Stranger Things times ColourPop times Stranger Things Talk to Me Ultra Glossy Lip Trio. I'm just gonna go for this pink one. I forgot what color it is. Is it? I don't. What it's called? Where Are You? So I already put that blush I was telling you about, this one. I put it on my lips, and now I'm going to top it with this gloss right here. Just sheer gloss. That's it. Okay, until my next video, whenever that is, peace out, bye.